Hello, everyone, and welcome back. We are so happy you are here with us today for another English speaking lesson. And today's topic is something that almost every English learner struggles with.
Practicing English alone.
Exactly. So many people want to improve their English, but they feel stuck because they don't have anyone to practice with.
Yes, I hear this all the time. People say, I don't live in an English-speaking country, or I don't have a speaking partner, or I don't have time for English classes every day.
And today, we want to show you something very important. You do not need any of those things to improve your English.
Yes, you can practice English completely alone and still become much more confident and fluent.
And the best part is that you only need 15 minutes a day.
15 minutes? That's all?
Yes, just 15 focused minutes every day can completely change your English over time.
Not in one day, not in 1 week, but slowly over months, you will see huge improvement.
So, today we are going to give you a very simple daily English practice plan that anyone can follow.
Whether you are at home, walking outside, drinking coffee, or even standing in front of your bathroom mirror.
Yes, even the bathroom can become your English classroom.
Honestly, that sounds much easier than sitting at a desk with a giant grammar book.
Exactly, because learning English does not need to feel heavy or stressful all the time.
English can become part of your real daily life.
Okay, let's start with a simple question. How long is 15 minutes really?
Honestly, 15 minutes is the time many people spend scrolling on their phone before sleeping.
Exactly, or watching random videos online.
Or waiting for food delivery.
The truth is, most people do have 15 minutes, they just don't use them intentionally.
And those small 15 minutes every day can slowly build real English confidence.
So, here's the plan. 5 minutes of listening, 5 minutes of speaking, and 5 minutes of writing or reading.
5, 5, 5. Simple and easy to remember.
Let's start with the first part, listening practice.
Many people think listening means turning on Netflix while checking their phone.
But that is not focused listening. That's just background noise.
Real listening practice means your brain is active and paying attention.
And you only need 5 focused minutes.
So, what should people listen to?
Short content works best. Maybe a short podcast, a short YouTube video, or a short conversation scene from a TV show.
But there is something very important before pressing play.
Yes, always give yourself a listening goal.
What exactly is a listening goal?
A listening goal is a question in your mind before you start listening.
Like, what is this video about? Or how does this person feel?
Exactly, because when your brain searches for answers, your listening becomes active instead of passive.
So instead of hearing random sounds, my brain starts hunting for information.
Perfect explanation.
Let's say I watch a short video about morning routines.
Before watching, ask yourself, what does this person do first in the morning?
Then while listening, my brain focuses on finding that answer.
Exactly. And after listening once, listen again one more time.
Why 2 times?
Because the second time, your brain feels more relaxed and notices more words, pronunciation, and sentence patterns.
Repetition is powerful for language learning.
And if the video has subtitles or a transcript, use them without shame. Reading while listening helps connect sounds with spelling. Great. Now let's move to the second part, speaking practice.
This is the part that scares many learners.
Yes, because people think they need another person to practice speaking.
But the truth is, you can practice speaking completely alone.
And it really works.
So, how can someone practice speaking alone?
We are going to show you 3 powerful methods.
Method number 1 is describing your day.
You simply talk about your life out loud in English.
Like, today I woke up at 7, or I drank coffee this morning.
Exactly. Short, simple sentences about real life.
This trains grammar naturally because you use real tenses and real vocabulary.
Now I'm going to work. Yesterday I felt tired. Tomorrow I will visit my friend.
You are practicing real communication, not memorizing random rules.
Method number 2 is talking to yourself in the mirror.
Okay, this sounds strange at first.
Yes, but it's incredibly effective.
Why the mirror specifically?
Because you can see your mouth, your expressions, and your confidence while speaking.
English is not only words, it's also facial expressions, emotion, and energy.
You can introduce yourself, describe your plans, or pretend you're in a coffee shop or job interview.
Hello, my name is Alice. I love learning languages and drinking coffee.
Perfect, natural, and simple.
Method number 3 is one of my favorites, the repeat and change method.
Start with one sentence and slowly change words inside it.
I want to drink coffee.
Then change one word. I want to drink tea.
I want to eat rice.
Excellent. This trains your brain to build flexible English sentences naturally.
So instead of memorizing grammar rules, my brain starts learning patterns automatically.
Exactly. And this helps fluency grow much faster.
Okay, now let's move to part 3, writing or reading practice.
And remember, this is not stressful grammar homework.
This is real-life English practice.
Every day, write 3 to 5 simple English sentences.
Just 3 to 5?
Yes, short and simple is enough.
Today I felt tired. I had coffee in the morning. The weather was very hot.
Writing helps your brain organize English thoughts naturally.
And don't worry about perfect grammar all the time.
Yes, confidence matters more than perfection in the beginning.
And what if writing feels difficult?
Then switch to reading practice.
What kind of reading?
Short, simple texts, children's books, easy English news, subtitles, or transcripts from videos you already watched.
Reading something you already listened to is very powerful because your brain sees the language twice.
Once with your ears and once with your eyes. Now, let's talk about vocabulary. Vocabulary is one of the biggest keys to fluency.
But many learners try to memorize too many words at once.
Instead, choose only one new word every day.
Only one?
Yes, because one word you truly understand is better than 20 words you forget tomorrow.
Let's say today's word is exhausted.
Exhausted means extremely tired.
Yesterday, I felt exhausted after work.
Perfect. Now that word becomes part of your real vocabulary instead of just staying in a notebook.
Honestly, this plan feels much more realistic than studying for hours.
Because consistency is more important than intensity.
15 minutes every day is better than 3 stressful hours once a week.
Learning English is like watering a plant.
What do you mean?
If you water a plant a little every day, it grows slowly and strongly.
But if you forget it for a week and suddenly pour too much water, it struggles.
Your English works the same way.
So the real secret is building a habit.
Exactly. Habits change everything.
And how can people build this habit?
Connect English to something you already do every day.
Listening while drinking morning coffee.
Speaking English while washing your face in the bathroom mirror.
Reading English during lunch break.
Small moments become powerful learning opportunities.
And please remember something very important. You do not need to feel ready before practicing.
Confidence does not come before action. Confidence comes from action.
Every time you speak English, even with mistakes, you are improving.
Every sentence makes your brain stronger.
Every small effort matters.
So, starting today, try your 15-minute English habit.
5 minutes listening, 5 minutes speaking, 5 minutes writing or reading.
No excuses anymore.
Yes, we are saying that with love.
We truly believe in you.
Keep practicing, keep improving, and keep moving forward every single day.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We will see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
And remember, your English grows every day you practice.